trying to follow the keto diet but don't know what to serve with your steak? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 delicious keto side dishes that will perfectly complement your steak dinner. So let's get started. Rutabaga fries. Rutabaga is also called a swede, and it's a vegetable commonly used as a substitute for potatoes. They make the perfect alternative to French fries and taste just as delicious. Second, cream spinach. This classic side dish is rich, creamy, and cheesy. It's simple to prepare and can be customized to suit your taste. 3. Cauliflower mac and cheese. You can easily swap pasta and mac and cheese for cauliflower, and you'll end up with a super delicious and creamy side that tastes just like the original. 4. Green bean casserole. Make this easy, creamy casserole with delicious, cheesy mushroom sauce that pairs perfectly with steak. 5. Garlic mushrooms. Steak and mushrooms are a match made in heaven. Try making garlic mushrooms to elevate your meal to the next level. 6. Garlic bread. You can still have garlic bread even while being on the keto diet. Find out how to make a keto garlic bread with almond flour, mozzarella, and cream cheese by clicking the link in the description. 7. Cheesy asparagus. Asparagus is a great low-carb vegetable that pairs beautifully with steak. Make a cheesy roasted asparagus dish that is the perfect side dish for most meats and chicken. 8. Cauliflower mash. Missing potato mash while on keto? You can make a cauliflower mash that mimics the taste of real potato mash but without all the carbs. 9. Onion rings. Keto onion rings are made with whey protein and result in a crispy and delicious treat that everyone will enjoy. 10. Keto gravy. Lastly on this list, we have gravy. Make keto gravy to enhance your steak dinner. It's easy to make, delicious, and the perfect accompaniment to any kind of meat. I hope these keto side dishes have inspired you in creating your next delicious keto steak dinner. Check out the link in the description box to find out all of the recipes, and please subscribe if you like this video and you'll get more keto recipes. Thank you.